Hola! Welcome back. I am Marco.
And I am Sofia. Today we are learning colors and clothing in Spanish.
This sounds simple, but it is one of the most useful topics for real life because you use colors and clothing every single day at a store, at a market, describing someone, getting directions.
And it connects directly to everything we already learned. Adjectives from episode 9, market vocabulary from episodes 4 and 7, describing things with S and esta.
Sofia went shopping yesterday. Tell them what happened.
I wanted a red shirt, and I pointed at a blue one by mistake because I did not know the word for red. The vendor thought I wanted blue. I walked out with a blue shirt.
She wanted rojo and she pointed at azul.
After today, that will never happen again. Colors, clothing, let us go.
12 words today. 6 colors and 6 clothing items. Say every one out loud. Word 1, rojo, red. Word 2, azul, blue. Word 3, verde, green. Word 4, amarillo, yellow. Word 5, negro, black. Word 6, blanco, white. Word 7, la camisa, the shirt. Word 8, los pantalones, the pants. Word 9, los zapatos, the shoes. Word 10, el vestido, the dress. Word 11, la talla, the size. Word 12, me queda bien, it fits me well.
Colors follow the same rule as adjectives from episode 9. They change from masculine and feminine. Rojo for a masculine noun, roja for a feminine noun.
El carro rojo, the red car, masculine. La camisa roja, the red shirt, feminine. O becomes a, same rule every time.
But azul, verde, and gris stay the same for both. Azul, azul. Verde, verde. They do not change.
Say the colors now. Rojo, azul, verde, amarillo, negro, blanco. Quick thing before the story.
We have a Patreon. Every episode comes with a full written transcript, every Spanish word written out with the English translation right beside it.
Plus, more episodes every month that we never post on YouTube. Link in the description. Come join us. Sofia and I are at a clothing market. She needs a new shirt. I'm going to help her this time so she doesn't go home with the wrong color again. Marco, quiero una camisa roja, pero no veo nada rojo aquí. Mira, esa camisa, la de allí. Quiero una camisa roja means I want a red shirt. No veo means I do not see. Esa camisa means that shirt. La de allí means the one over there. Veo is from the verb ver, to see. No veo, I do not see.
¿Esa? Pero esa es rosada, no es roja.
Tienes razón, es rosada. Rosa, pink, no rojo. Rosada means pink. Tienes razón means you are right. You heard that phrase in episode 7 at the market. It keeps coming back.
Marco, mira, esa camisa es perfecta. Es roja y me gusta mucho el diseño.
Es muy bonita. ¿Cuál es tu talla?
Mi talla es mediana. Creo que sí.
El diseño means the design or the pattern. ¿Cuál es tu talla means what is your size. Mediana means medium. Creo que sí means I think so.
Marco, ¿me queda bien?
Sí, te queda muy bien. El color rojo te queda perfecto. Me queda bien means it fits me well. Te queda bien means it fits you well. Me is for yourself. Te is when you're talking to someone else. El color rojo te queda perfecto means the red color suits you perfectly.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
150 pesos.
¿Me da un descuento?
Para usted, 120.
Perfecto. Me la llevo, por favor.
¿Cuánto cuesta? From episode 4. Me da un descuento from episode 4. She negotiated again. Me la llevo means I will take it. La because camisa is feminine. Me lo llevo for masculine. Me la llevo for feminine. Now, let's talk about describing outfits. Sofia, describe what you are wearing right now in español. Llevo una camisa blanca y pantalones azules y zapatos negros. Llevo means I am wearing, literally I carry. Camisa blanca, white shirt. Pantalones azules, blue pants. Azul becomes azules in plural. Zapatos negros, black shoes. Negro becomes negros in plural. She used 3 colors, 3 clothing items, all correct. I describe the color situation, you give me the Spanish. You want a black shirt.
Quiero una camisa negra.
You want blue pants.
Quiero pantalones azules.
You want to know if the dress fits well.
¿Me queda bien el vestido?
You want to know the price.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
You want a discount.
¿Me da un descuento?
You will take it, feminine item.
Me la llevo.
You are wearing a red shirt and black shoes.
Llevo una camisa roja y zapatos negros.
Perfecto. Every color, every item, all correct. One more time, just listen. Marco, quiero una camisa roja, pero no veo nada rojo aquí. Mira, esa camisa, la de allí. Esa, pero esa es rosada, no es roja. Tienes razón, es rosada. Marco, mira, esta camisa es perfecta, es roja y me gusta mucho el diseño. Es muy bonita. ¿Cuál es tu talla? Mi talla es mediana. Creo que sí. Marco, ¿me queda bien? Sí, te queda muy bien. El color rojo te queda perfecto. ¿Cuánto cuesta? 150 pesos. ¿Me da un descuento? Para usted, 120. Perfecto. Me la llevo, por favor. Ahora, describe lo que llevas en español. Llevo una camisa blanca y pantalones azules y zapatos negros. Perfecto. Every color, every item, all correct. Rojo, azul, verde, amarillo, negro, blanco, la camisa, los pantalones, los zapatos. Me queda bien.
You can now describe what you and everyone around you is wearing entirely in Spanish.
And you connected everything to what you already knew. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Me da un descuento? ¿Me lo llevo? From episode 4 all the way back.
If you aren't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now. We're building real Spanish together, one episode at a time.
See you in the next one.
Hasta luego, everyone.
Hasta luego.